And guys, have you ever wondered about the POV of all the characters that you are chatting and role-playing with? Like, how are they actually feeling about all the messages and actions that you do for them? What are the exact internal thoughts, and how are they feeling about you? And what do they want to do next with you? What are they thinking in their head about you? Well, this character AI alternative with no filters has just now released something that will let you do just that. Yup, you can now see the role plays in the perspective of your characters that you are chatting with, and then you can see how it feels to be like that specific character. It's exactly like reading the minds of characters that you are chatting with, and this just makes the role plays pretty interesting and fun. For people who don't know, this platform that you are seeing on your screen is Fiction Lab AI. And it's a pretty popular AI chatting and role-playing platform where you can chat with all your favorite AI characters for absolutely free and without any filters. They have many different free AI models here with very high memory, and they let you make scenario with all your favorite AI characters. It's a pretty nice platform, and just now they have released a new update, and this update is called POV. Yup, this is the announcement which was released by them, and it's titled as New POV Command. They have written that you can now use the /POV command to make the bot generate responses from the point of view of any character in your scenario. Want to see the story through a different character's eyes? This feature gives you complete narrative flexibility. So basically, this command lets you see the role plays in the perspective of any character that you want. Let me show you how it works. So to use it, you first need to come to the chatting interface with a character. Once you are here, you need to come to the box and write /POV here. After that, you will see the command right here. Just click on it, and then you will see the names of all the characters that you can generate the POV for. You simply have to select the name of the character. Once you did that, you just have to send it to the character. And after that, the character will start generating a message from their perspective. And as you can see, it successfully did that. And this is how this new command works. It works pretty nicely, not gonna lie. Basically what they do is that when you send the command, they use an OOC command to make the characters send a POV response. You can do it on any platform that you want by using this same OOC command by typing it manually too. This POV command just makes it easier since you don't have to type it everything. Overall, I would say that it's a pretty interesting update. It's actually pretty fun to see the POV of characters during the role plays. You should give it a try too if you want. And that is the new update that I wanted to tell you all about. What do you think about this, everyone? Tell me in the comments. I will be going now. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.